Hi vlog, I'm going to open my first present for here. Let's go open it. I see signs. It's a scooter. It's a bouncy scooter. It's a scooter. Lights it. Thank you, Aunt Lily. My helmet and award! An award! What the heck? Let's go!
Oh, it's the safety gear. Oh, that's so sweet.
Thank you, Aunt Lily. Wow! How's this one? My first club
Your
and
first?
award.
Your first present for this year is awesome. Your elbow pads and stuff. And plus your helmet.
Let's open it. Let's go. Ride it.
You want to write it now?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Good job.
Is this for this one?
It's for your elbow. I think it's for your elbow.
Okay.
Well, we have to unpack your scooter first. That's a really good one.
My scooter's wide. This one's for my hands.
Yeah, those are for your hands.
Go. I got it. Oopsie, the wrong one.
Yeah, that's the wrong one. You put that. Yep, you got it right. Close it.
Where's the one?
It's right here.
Oopsie, wrong.
Yeah,
Here.
right there. There you go.
Hey, I was right.
For your elbows, but the one's for your elbows. You're so safe.
Oopsie. Oopsie.
We're going to help you open it?
Yes.
Don't open it with me. You have to get it out.
I think we do that. Oh, butt
Yeah.
cutter. Brush.
Safety, safety.
Oh.
She's so excited.
Down. There you go. Oh,
Let's get this bit.
good. Oh. Wow, you got your own scooter, look. Oh, you got part of it. You got part of it.
The first part.
Part number 2. Oh, you got a skateboard. Kind of looking.
That's not a skateboard.
Looks like one.
It's a scooter.
It's a scooter. That's a piece of the scooter. See, it has a
Back it
hole.
up.
And it's pink.
And it's pink.
So all you
Oopsie.
have to do is attach it.
That's one cash.
Which way?
There's one more.
One more?
Is there one
One
more?
cash.
Oh no, it's manual.
Oh, the manual. Now will tell us how to put it together.
Look, another thing.
Oh, okay. It's a part of the thing, so.
Oh, fits inside in there.
It was?
Yeah, it fits inside in there. Look, I'll show you. Fits inside in there.
What
Shit.
does? What does?
This.
Put it in.
Touch this.
Oh,
Oh, it fits.
it does. Does it?
We'll see.
Oopsie.
I don't think it does. What am I? I think we do. Put it in here. Yeah.
I just get the tape off.
Not yet, Rose. Not yet. Push it in.
Yeah.
You got that part in.
Get the tape off.
Alright, let's get the plastic off.
Plastic. I get this plastic. I got this plastic.
Oh, okay. Alright. Is that it?
Yep. Then that's it.
I don't know what this is for. It's probably for short people. Oh, you sit on it. Yeah. It's glowing. Whoa.
I'm going to get this because I'm going to get my helmet. Ready to ride. And first my helmet. Hi, Bug. How you doing, Bug? Got my helmet. Let's go.
Turn your wheels.
I'm ready.
Bye.
Let's go ride. I'm ready. Let's go ride.
This is nice.
Let's do it again. Here I go again. Thanks for watching. Bye.